Welcome to Nova, your go-to source for smart income strategies. Want to earn $500 a day from home with zero experience? It's more possible than you think. Today, we're breaking down legit methods anyone can start to make real money online. Ready to take control of your income from the comfort of your home? Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss a single opportunity. 1. Freelance writing. You don't need a degree or years of experience to start making money as a freelance writer. If you can write clearly and follow instructions, there's a huge demand for your skills. Many websites, blogs, and companies are looking for content writers daily. You can start with platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to find your first gigs. Topics range from travel and tech to health, finance, and product descriptions. Writers typically earn $50 to $150 per article, and with a few clients, $500 a day becomes achievable. As you build your portfolio, you can charge more and attract higher-paying clients. 2. Sell digital products. Selling digital products is a smart and scalable way to earn $500 a day with zero inventory. You can create templates, planners, guides, or design bundles and sell them online. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip make setup easy even for beginners. Once your product is made, it can be sold over and over again, generating passive income. People are always looking for ready-made solutions for business, productivity, and organization. You don't need a design degree. Use tools like Canva to create beautiful digital products. If you're unsure what to sell, check trending products and fill in gaps in the market. Bundle items together to increase your earnings per sale. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. When someone buys through your referral link, you get paid a commission, often 10% to 50%. You can promote on social media, blogs, YouTube, or even through email newsletters. Amazon Associates, Sherry SL, and ClickBank are great platforms to get started. Focus on products you believe in and that match your audience's interests. You don't need a big following, just trust and valuable content to drive sales. Beginners often start by reviewing products or creating top 10 lists. 4. Offer virtual assistant services. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and content creators are always looking for help managing daily tasks. Virtual assistants handle things like email, calendar management, data entry, or customer support. No experience is required, just reliability, communication skills, and a willingness to learn. Platforms like Belay, Upwork, and Fancy Hands connect virtual assistant with remote clients. Entry-level virtual assistant often earn $15 $30 per hour, but specialized virtual assistant can make $50 plus an hour. If you land just 2 to 3 regular clients, earning $500 in a day is within reach. Many business owners will pay more for consistent, high-quality help. 5. Create and sell online courses. Even if you don't think you're an expert, there's something you know that others are willing to pay to learn. Online courses on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Kajabi are booming. You can create a course on anything: photography, cooking, digital marketing, budgeting, or gaming. Start with a simple outline, record video lessons, and upload them to your course platform. Once your course is live, you can earn from each enrollment passively. Promote your course via social media, blogs, YouTube, or even paid ads if you have a budget. Courses often sell for $50 to $200, so you only need a few sales a day to hit $500. 6. Launch a print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand lets you sell custom t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and more without holding stock. Services like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble handle printing, shipping, and fulfillment for you. All you do is design the product and set up an online store through Shopify or Etsy. Even if you're not a designer, Canva and free templates make it easy to create awesome merch. Trending or niche-specific designs often go viral and can rack up big sales quickly. A single shirt that catches on can bring in $500 or more a day consistently. Use TikTok or Instagram Reels to showcase your products and build a following. Print-on-demand is perfect for creative people who want low-risk, high-reward businesses. 7. Social media management. If you enjoy scrolling social media, you can turn it into a full-time income stream. Businesses pay social media managers to create content, reply to comments, and grow their online presence. You don't need a marketing degree, just a good eye for content and consistency. Start by managing one small business's Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok account. As you build case studies, you can charge $500 plus per client per month or even per week. Many managers offer content packages that bring in high earnings quickly. Tools like Canva, Buffer, and ChatGPT make your job easier and more efficient. With 2 to 3 clients, you could earn $500 in a single day working from home. Social media is in high demand, and you can position yourself as the go-to expert. 8. Flip items online. You can earn big money by buying low and selling high flipping items for profit. Look around your house for old gadgets, clothes, or collectibles you no longer use. Sell them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Once you get the hang of it, source cheap items from garage sales, thrift stores, and clearance aisles. Some people earn hundreds per flip, especially with electronics, sneakers, or vintage goods. A few solid flips can bring in $500 plus in a single day without needing any experience. Flipping is low-cost, high-reward, and easy to start from home. The more you learn about what sells, the faster your profits grow. It's an excellent way to turn hustle into a real income stream. 9. Voiceover work. Voiceover work is a hidden gem that pays well and doesn't require any formal background. If you have a clear voice and a decent microphone, you can start recording voiceovers today. You can lend your voice to YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, explainer videos, or phone systems. Platforms like Voices.com, Buddy Studio, and Fiverr offer gigs for beginners. Rates vary, but experienced voice artists can make $100 plus per project, and some earn over $500 a day. Practice reading scripts and listening to pros to develop your skill. Creating a demo reel can help you land higher-paying gigs. You don't need a professional studio, a quiet space and basic setup work just fine. If you enjoy speaking and storytelling, voiceover is a fun and profitable way to work from home. 10. Start a YouTube channel. You don't need to be a celebrity or expert to start making money on YouTube. Channels about simple topics, reviews, reactions, tutorials, or even daily life earn thousands monthly. Once your channel is monetized, you earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Consistency and valuable content are the keys to growth. Even with a small channel, one viral video can bring in hundreds or even thousands in a day. You can also repurpose your videos into blog posts or social media content to grow faster. Niches like personal finance, health, and tech tend to be especially profitable. Use free editing tools and a smartphone to get started without spending money. With dedication and strategy, you too can become a full-time income stream, no experience required. You don't need a fancy resume to start making serious money from home, just the right strategy. Now that you know how to earn $500 a day, which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped open the door to new income streams, hit that like button and subscribe to Nova for more real ways to boost your earnings. See you in the next video.